Hello and welcome to the Home Handler video tutorial for VisualBasic.net. I'm Kenny Carney and we're going to continue with our string manipulation. We're going to do equals first, and we'll do replace and then insert. They are pretty straightforward. So in a previous tutorial we had this: if.uk equals .uk, then message box show ends in UK, or we're just displaying whatever's in .uk, and we use substring. For equals, instead of having an equals sign there, you can actually there is a equals function. So I type a dot and eq equals and a round bracket, and then you can see there's one of 6 ways to use this one. We want the second one, value as string. We're going to be using that one, but there's also another useful one there, which is this one, number 4. Determines whether 2 specified string objects have the same value, A, the first string to compare, or null. In other words, you can compare, say, apple with a capital A against apple with a lowercase a, and it will give you no or false as the Boolean value. But, that one's quite useful if you want to compare 2 strings. We'll use this one, and you simply type whatever you want it to equal. It was a lowercase, wasn't it? UK, then another round bracket. So whatever you want to test goes in between quotation marks. If .uk equals .uk, then your message box. Let me start that one. Here's what I'm testing. Does that end in .uk? Ends in .uk. Otherwise, just display whatever is in .uk or .u. Right, so that is equals. We'll move on to replace and insert. Let me add a new button for this. I might need to make the form a little bit bigger. Yeah. Let me copy and paste that one. Control C, Control V. Just about to squeeze in. And what did I say? Replace slash insert. We change the name of the button. PTN modest. Replace. Insert. I should do 2 separate buttons for these, to be honest. And we'll have a new text box. Oh, we won't have a text box. Double click the button. So let's do replace first. Replace. And let me set up some variables to show you what this is. Yes, I'll be there. Dim. Old text as. Nope, we don't want that. Oh, come on. String. Dim. New text as string. That's the one. Now, suppose the old text was something like this. This is a string. So I've got hyphens in there, and perhaps I want to replace them with spaces instead of hyphens. So I put the new text, it's the variable, and an equal sign. So this is the old text out. This is what I want to amend. Old text, then type a dot and replace. Like that. The round bracket. We've got 2 ways to use that one. So char and as a string. But the first thing we need is wherever it is we're trying to change, trying to get rid of. So we're trying to get rid of that hyphen, and then I want a comma, and what do we want in its place? We want a space. Right. Let's just display things in a message box again. Show see the old text. and another message box, sure, and that new text. Right, so for the replace, it goes after the dot of all text. Whatever it is you are trying to change, that goes first, then dot replace, and in between the round brackets you have whatever it is you're trying to change. You're trying to get rid of that hyphen, and what do you want in its place? You want a space. Let's see if that works. Replace, insert. This is a string, that was the old version, and there's the new version with spaces. That one is pretty straightforward for replace. Now do insert, and let me comment out those two lines there. We'll use these old text, new text. So suppose, are we doing a demo? What's the old text was? This some text. Clearly missed out a word. We've missed out is. It's a new text equals. So you want that old text first again. That's what you're trying to amend. Then a dot and insert. Where's insert? This one. Insert. So round brackets again. And if you have a look on here, start index as integer and the value. So we need a starting position for whatever it is we're trying to insert, and I think 5. It starts at 0, I think. Let me just check that. I think it starts at 0. Yeah, the count starts at 0. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we want the new text there. So that's the starting position 5. Then you type a comma and whatever it is you want as your new text. Clearly what is. Maybe I want another space. This is. I might have too much space, but let me check. So the old text, this some text. Insert into the old text at position 5. The word is. Let me see if I've got that right. I might need to delete a space. This some text. That was the old one. This is some text. Yeah, I think I've got too much space there. Let me try that. This some text. This is some text. That's insert. Insert whatever you want into the old text, and I think we'll leave it there because they're quite easy. Those are replace, the insert, equals, and in the next and final video on string manipulation we will do split and join. I will see you then.